March 10, 2024 here at Estancia, cosplay something. Seems a little jolly. Not really though. Not really. Wait, see the kids. Hey kids. Let's see. What's up? So here's the main stage. Cosplay Blitz today. Okay. Okay. There's a really accurate looking Luffy down there. He is really accurate. Oh, look, there's Wolverine up there. See that? Here's the main small place. Here's the main thing. Of course, I got my Holo merch. Still thinking about a pop-up raid na I probably will buy it. Pop-up raids run for 1,850 now. Is that Stan? Bronco Stan. Huh? And a Mario. And I don't know who the fuck that is. Is that a brook? Okay, so there's more shit up here pala. Cool. I didn't know. Good thing I went up. Pictures and stuff. Ah, let's look around. Let's look around.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.